I'd have gone with green on that roof.
Well, that's what they wanted at
Green,
first.
yeah,
you know?
I told them green is on the yellow,
Yeah.
but if you ever paint the house, green's real specific. Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. I'm standing here at one of our most recent projects with a homeowner, Chris, who's been absolutely fantastic to work with. A lot of help, a lot of fun. We put on a beautiful 24 gauge standing seam mill finish roof, finest in the business. I'd like to thank Chris for allowing us to do so and enjoy her roof. Chris is solely responsible for, I'm gonna say 7 or 8 additional roofs. We signed one this morning from your neighbor, Joy had sent me, so I just want to say thank you, really.
And I want to let you know how much I love my new roof and all the help that you gave me with my insurance company. I had some shingles missing during a storm and did not even think to call my insurance agent because I thought you had to lose your whole roof to qualify for that. And Sean came and said, I think he had a wind mitigation claim, and he helped me, and I did, and I got this beautiful new roof. They came when they said they would, and they went to work very hard, and they cleaned up every day like there was no mess at my house or any problems with anything.
Well, Chris is probably one of the greatest homeowners you could run across, because I show up one day during the process and there was this giant plate of chocolate chip cookies that she had baked for the crew. I'm like, you're gonna spoil these guys, but it was a lot of fun. It was a great project. We did the metal cutting panels on site, so we had the machines out here to roll our own metal and cut it. It was just a lot of fun. It turned into just a great time. Everybody had a good time, and in the end, this is what we're left with.
And I'm very happy. I didn't have to do any of the work of making the claim or anything. He took care of everything. He came by every day to check and make sure everything was going the way it was supposed to go.
I think I still come by every day. We've become good friends, and I really appreciate you.
Yeah. I highly recommend Sean for any homeowner to work with. He does an excellent job all the way through, step by step.
This is Sean Bennett with XLR8 Roofing. You guys have a great day and be kind to each other. Awesome, you're the best, Chris.